From the last couple of months, my faceless Instagram theme page is generating around $500,000 a month in passive income, even when I spend only 1 hour a day. I started my first Instagram theme page around 1 year ago knowing nearly nothing, and now I've turned it into a money printing machine that works entirely on autopilot. If you follow all the steps which I will explain further into the video, then I guarantee that you will achieve similar results in profit like me, even if you start today. Step 1. Pick a niche in which you're actually interested in. If you try to copy what others do, you're not gonna make it. And I say this because if you will not make content in which you're actually interested about, chances are high that you will fail, as you're gradually going to lose interest in it over time. So pick a niche or topic which you love. Step 2. Download the editing softwares, which will help you generate content. There are many paid, and even free softwares and websites that will allow you to make professional posts and reels. But my personal favorite are CapCut, for editing reels, and Canva, for editing posts. And even though I'm showing you all this in a PC, but everything is available on mobile phones too, so you're good to go. Canva has a free trial option, which is a good thing, but CapCut is paid, which isn't a problem because you can just type CapCut mod on Google, come onto this website and download it for completely free. Step 3. Understanding how Instagram algorithm works and finding the secret of making viral posts. Now, for example, watch this reel.
Being is realized by small steps, but is truly no small thing. Man conquers the world by conquering himself.
This reel has over 500k likes and probably got more than 50k shares. Now the secret to going viral on Instagram is not likes or comments like YouTube and TikTok. Instagram focuses on mainly two things. First one is average view duration, which means that for how longer a viewer is staying on your video before scrolling. For every 10-second post, 4 to 5 seconds of viewer retention is considered good. That means, if the viewer watches even half of your reel, it will have higher chances of getting promoted and gaining more views. Second is saves, and for every 1,000 views, one person actually saves the reel, or even shares, which the Instagram algorithm loves as much as average view duration. So try to make your posts and reels so captivating and amazing that any person who views it should be convinced on saving or sharing it. Now that we know how the algorithm works, let's move on to the next step and create some viral posts. And just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna pick motivation, as it is one of the most viewed and shared niches currently on the platform. Now head over to ChatGPT and ask it to give some of the best motivational quotes and it will generate a lot of them. You can just keep asking it to generate more and more if you run out of them. Next head over to Canva so we can actually design our posts. As you can see, I've made this just now and the first slide is very bold, which grabs the viewer's attention and it's called a hook. It makes people stop and lights up a spark of curiosity which makes people slide further, which results in more watch time and overall gaining more views. You can even add images instead of black backgrounds, but I'm just explaining this quickly so I didn't bother it. As you can see, posts like these easily go viral on Instagram, and that brings us to next step, which is creating viral reels for your page. Just because of the rise of TikTok, Instagram has been pushing more and more reels because of increase in competition, which gives people like you and me a magical opportunity to grow faster. Look at this reel. It has over 1.3 million likes and 14 million views, but the crazy part is that their account is only 1 month old and has over 140k followers, which is insane. Now let me show you how you can also create viral reels like this. Again, head over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate best motivational quotes with a good hook, as you want people to actually stay for longer. Now pick the one you like the most. Next we need a voiceover for our video. For this step you can record your own voice, but if you don't want to, then there are many AI websites that generate amazing human-like voiceovers, and my favorite one is 11labs, as it is the best in the market right now. Now head over to 11labs, sign up for free and paste in your text and select a voice model from the list above and hit generate. Now I will show you what type of voice 11labs generated for me.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Embrace optimism and determination, turn dreams into goals, challenges into opportunities. Your unwavering faith shapes the canvas of your destiny.
Next we need background images which will be shown behind the text in our video to make it more relevant. We can use different images from the internet, but in order to be safe from copyright, we will use AI-generated images. Now for this, you can head over to Midjourney, but just because it's paid, we will use another similar website like Midjourney, and its name is Lexica Art. You can search for different image styles, but I'm gonna use my own prompt which you can copy too. And in a matter of seconds, it has generated a lot of images which are actually better than what most people use in their background. Now once you're happy with the images, download them and head over to CapCut which I told you to download before. Now import your images and voiceover and throw them into the timeline and adjust accordingly like I'm doing. Next you want to create auto captions, which is the best feature in CapCut. Adjust your captions according to the voiceover and change font or settings if you want to, and you're good to go. Easy just like that. Take a look at what I created in just 10 minutes.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Embrace optimism and determination. Turn dreams into goals, challenges into opportunities. Your unwavering faith shapes the canvas of your destiny.
Okay, so next, we can actually start posting. It's the best when you only post once a day because you definitely don't want to keep spamming reels and post as it can lower your reach, and don't want to become irrelevant either. So my recommendation is to post once every day. Step 5. Discover and learn. Don't get stuck creating the same type of videos, and instead try to take ideas from other people who are creating content in the same niche as you. This way you'll actually learn a lot from others and improve your mistakes, and this is something that every other content creator does. Step 7. You have finally reached that part where you're actually going to make money out of your Instagram theme page by monetizing it. All of the steps we followed from the start means absolutely nothing if we are not gonna make profit out of it. This is a part where a lot of new people struggle, but I can guarantee you that I will make it work for you guys. I was able to make 6 figures from my various Instagram theme page accounts, so I know several creative and effective ways through which you can make huge bucks. I will talk about all of them in future videos, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification. But for now we will focus on advertisements. Various companies pay a lot to target and reach people online in order to gain leads, so of course companies will be happy to pay even thousands of dollars to be in front of a niche audience like yours. Let me show you how to turn this into a reality. Let's assume that your account focuses on yoga or workout in general. They can make a goldmine by advertising for companies selling health benefit-related products. And the shocking part is most of these companies don't even know that these people exist, so you actually need to reach out to them through Facebook groups or LinkedIn. I personally like LinkedIn the most because you can directly chat with business representatives of various companies without actually spending hours looking for their contact. Or sometimes, like in my case, companies are gonna find and then message you for direct collaborations or advertisements. You just have to wait for that moment, or you can just reach out to them like I explained before. Next is to begin negotiating. Most I've ever been paid for a single post is around $2,000, and I am not saying this to brag, I just want you to know that how much potential this thing holds. And now the final step comes down to you. The most important factor to grow on Instagram that everyone follows is consistency. Make sure to follow your daily routine of posting on your page, and I promise that you'll see major growth on your account in a very less time. But again, keep this in mind that you're not gonna become a millionaire in one night, but you definitely can become one if you struggle a lot and try to stay consistent. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please make sure to subscribe, as it will keep me motivated to make content like this just for you guys. Have a great day ahead. Goodbye.